Hey everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home, and today I'm going to talk to you about my dining room makeover that I did for the one room challenge. My vision was to give it a more cohesive look with a bit of a Afro-Chinoiserie feel to the room, so I wanted to blend my style with the style of the furniture to create that one look. Other than paint, the only thing I did was install the picture railing on the wall. So please step into my new dining room. So when you look at the video, as you notice that all I did was change the color of the wall. I warmed the walls up with a nice hunter green kind of feel, and then I reupholstered the chairs and I painted everything black again. Also, I scored this fabulous chandelier off the Facebook Marketplace, and that became the glam of the room. Everything else I used, I styled with thrifted finds. The bar cart with the plants on it, that was a thrifted find that I had to make over. This still rock painting, this watercliff painting, I scored that also at a thrift store for $5. And the china cabinet, I wanted to refresh that look as well, and I came across some more pieces at a thrift store. As you remember, the Art Deco cabinet was already remade over. So with that, and just by adding a few more plants to the room, I gave it that boho feel kind of, but it also incorporates my style and my love of plants. So plants always warm up any space, so wherever you can add them into your home decor, it's always a plus. So just remember, when you decorate your house on a budget or you want to give it a new look, it doesn't have to break the bank. Just remember and be inspired here at Viva La Vintage for your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, or share it. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.